Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to move your Figma styles and components from one file to another, whether you're tidying up your workflow or collaborating on a new project, today I'm going to show you how to do it easily and most importantly, correctly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to shift entire components and style sets between files just like a pro, all while keeping things organized and efficient. So let's jump right in and get started. First up, let's talk about moving a component from one file to another. This is especially useful when you create something awesome in a draft file, but later realize you want to use it in your main design system or share it with your team. The key here is to treat the component like you move a file between folders, but there's a special trick in Figma to make sure everything transfers smoothly. So here's what you need to do. Click on the component you want to move. It could be anything, a button, a modal, a card, anything you've built as a component. Make sure you actually select the main component, not just an instance. Selection is important because Figma needs to know you want the asterisk master version, not just a copy. Now, this is the only reliable way. Press Ctrl+X on your keyboard. That's Ctrl+X, which is cut, just like you cut text in a document to move it somewhere else. This might feel a bit strange at first. After all, most of us are used to copying and pasting, but when it comes to components, using cut ensures Figma will properly move not just the visual part, but also all the linked properties and overrides attached to that component. If you just copy, you could end up with disconnected or broken components, and we definitely don't want that. Once you've cut your component, it will temporarily disappear from your original file. Don't worry, you're in control. Now switch to the other Figma file where you want to paste this component. Think of it like moving furniture from one room to another. You want to place it right where it'll be most useful. When you're ready, simply press Ctrl+V, which is the standard paste action. Figma will bring the component into your new file, keeping all its settings and internal structure intact. It's that simple. Sometimes it may take a second for Figma to process, especially if the component is complex, so don't panic if there's a brief pause. Next, let's move on to styles. Styles in Figma cover things like colors, text settings, effects, really any design theme or look you want to keep consistent. Transferring these between files means you don't have to manually rebuild or retype them, which can save you a ton of time, especially in larger projects. So back in your original file, open up the Styles panel. Browse through until you find the style you want to move. Maybe it's your favorite brand color, a text style you've spent hours perfecting, or a special shadow effect you want to reuse. Right-click on the style, a menu will pop up. Look for the option that says Cut Style. Just like with components, this cut action tells Figma to prepare the style for moving, keeping all the settings and relationships intact. Once you've done that, hop back over to your target file, the one where your components are already waiting or where you want to keep everything organized. Make sure the Styles panel is open, and when you're ready, press Ctrl+V. Instantly, you'll see your style appear in the list, fully functional and ready for use. Figma automatically adds it to the styles of your new file, so you can apply it to any object or text, no need to redo anything. And if you have several styles, you can repeat this process as needed. And that's it. With these simple but powerful steps, you can move both components and styles between Figma files, keeping all your best work together and making collaboration smoother than ever. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Drop a comment below if you ran into any issues or have questions about Figma, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.